So we're just gonna cut the solder into little pieces.
That will be enough.
And then we're just gonna get two little pieces together.
And these are little butterflies?
Yeah, little butterflies.
Now, they have to be right next to one another. No gaps in between.
And then we just put the flux on top of it, like all over it. And then get flux, or if you need more, just get more. And get the little solder piece and put it up here. And then put a little bit more.
And put a little solder on the flux. Okay. Get your torch.
So then just turn on the torch and heat this up. And then just go to the solder thing with the solder pick and heat them both up until it turns into a little ball. And then just try to get it and put it into the little piece you're trying to connect. And then that's it.
Okay.